Hi, and welcome to a quick walkthrough of how TinkerSteps work. TinkerSteps is a 3D printing service for teachers and students. We can print entire class projects and ship them across Australia, so you don't need to worry about buying or maintaining your own fleet of 3D printers. What makes TinkerSteps unique is the project management system we give to teachers that minimizes the hassle of contacting print shops and getting quotes that would fit your school budget. So here is how it works. On the homepage, students should click the Student Upload button, input the code that they've been given by the teacher, and you can see here that they've been set some design constraints. The student must design something of $25 and also these dimensions. They'll upload a file which they wish to print, for example, this file over here. The system will check their file for both of these constraints, and in this case over here we can see that the student does not meet those design constraints. Here we can see what the student has done as a quick preview model. Down here you can see that the submit button is grayed out, so they can't submit until they've actually gone back and redesigned their models to meet these two constraints. So this gives students instant feedback on whether or not their models will work. So they'll go ahead, redesign, re-upload, and you can see in this case it ticks both of these design constraints, and the submit button is now free for submission. They'll go ahead, they'll put down their initials, so there's no sign up involved. This protects the student identity and there is no held data. So they'll go ahead, submit that, and that is all the student needs to do. Now this is what a teacher will see. Assuming that the teacher has signed up to our service, which is for free, they should go and see this dashboard. They'll hit View Projects to see all the active projects currently on. This is a project code that we give to students to find the correct class to upload their files to. Here you can see that we've previously sent off a print order, and then you can decide on sending out more print orders to us. Just click on the files that you wish to print. You can see that it's $62.94, which is still within the total project budget cost, and that's why you get this green tick. Go ahead and create a print order, which will get you a quote, which you can then take to your management's school manager and get a PO number. Once that PO number has been inputted, for example, 12, send us to print, and then we'll get that to you as soon as possible. Let's have a look at how we set up new projects. So back in a dashboard, by clicking on projects, we go to set up new project, input a name, input a submission date, class, teacher, and school has been pre-filled from the initial sign-up process. Here you give an indication of how much per student model should cost. Note this does not include GST, so GST will be calculated after students submit their work. The dimensions, you have three choices: small, medium, and large. The large will get you to 150 by 150 by 150. There is only one choice in material, and there is a layer height of 0.2 or 0.3. Infill has also been set at 20%, and the project budget will be however much you wish to set it for the entire class budget. You hit review, that's fine, hit approve, and then you get a live project code. This is a code that you give to the students, and this is how they will upload to you directly for you to decide to print with us or not. If you go back to the dashboard, you should be able to see all of your projects, and you can also download the selected projects if you wish to print by yourself. So these items have been selected. You simply just click download and it will give you the STL files ready for you to convert to 3D prints.